let's take a look at the Ultimea Poseidon D80, a 7.1 surround sound system with Dolby Atmos. I'll start with unboxing. Inside the box, there's a user manual, 4 nice looking speakers, the soundbar, and the subwoofer. Aside from that, there's a remote control, mounting hardware and an optical cable, an HDMI cable, a power cable, a 3.5mm to RCA audio cable, and cables for the speakers. There are also mounting brackets, and the power adapter. There are 4 wired panoramic surround speakers, which deliver 360-degree immersive surround sound. These are nice, loud, and clear. They can also be mounted to stands. The soundbar provides an additional 4 speakers, and is pretty much the control center of the system. There are touch buttons on the top to power on and control the system. On the back, you have a DC power in, the front right and left surround speaker ports, an auxiliary port, the optical port, a USB-A port, as well as 2 HDMI ports. Now looking at the subwoofer, there's the power in port and the other 2 left and right surround speaker connections. There's also a power on and off button. This is a 6.5-inch woofer and provides a nice deep bass and really puts you inside the action. The overall system provides 460 watts of peak power and has 4K HDR pass-through, which will definitely bring you some high quality sound. This system can also be controlled with the Ultimea Smart app. Looking at the app, there are 6 adjustable surround level presets you can choose from: movie, music, voice, sport, game, or night. You can customize the 10-band equalizer settings to your preferred setting, and there are also 121 preset EQ matrices. In style, there are 4 you can choose from: bass, rock, pop, or classical. You can decide whether you want more bass or whether you want more of a rock style sound by selecting a dot which is closer to that style you prefer. If you're looking for a better sound experience when watching movies and TV, and you want to get your money's worth, this surround system will definitely take care of that. You won't have to worry about distorted sound and muffling during climatic scenes in movies, and you'll actually feel the movie and not only hear it with a great subwoofer. I've reviewed quite a few items from Ultimea, and have been pleased with their products. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next video.